Ever experienced that sinking feeling when you accidentally deleted a photo on Instagram? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this video I'll show you how to recover deleted photos in Instagram. So let's begin by opening Instagram. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Tap in the top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Recently Deleted. Now click on the post that you have recently deleted. Tap on the three-dot button. Tap on Restore. Again tap on Restore. A confirmation code will be sent to your number. Enter that confirmation code. Again tap on three-dot button. Tap on Restore. Again tap on Restore. Now your post can be seen on your profile. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.